It's Wednesday, June 26th, and I'm standing just upstream of the Stockyard Bridge in Salida, Colorado, observing the beautiful Arkansas River. Flows have declined significantly over the last 10 days or so, 2 weeks. We're down to 680 CFS at the Wellsville gauge. The water is clear, and the fishing has been outstanding. We're looking at golden stoneflies, yellow Sally stoneflies, and any day now, pale morning duns will be joining the fray. Fishing's been great with dry dropper rigs, streamers, and of course for those who want to, nymph in the deeper runs has become quite productive as well. The river's in excellent shape, and should be from now through early to mid-August in this flow range, 500 to 700. Great for wading, great for floating, and fishery's in excellent health. So if information and footage like this doesn't move you, then you may be unmovable. Hope we see you soon on the Arkansas River.